Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the first lesson, measurement. Already in 7th standard we have studied about a measurement. In this lesson, the learning objectives are understand the fundamental quantities and its units, explain the system of units and measurements, analyze the different system of units, know about temperature, amount of substance, electric current and luminous intensity, explore the knowledge of accuracy in measurement, differentiate plane angle and solid angle, then solve the problems related to measurements. So first one, introduction. Physical Physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. The first lesson, measurement, is belongs to the physics. The physics. What do you mean by physics? Is the study of nature and the natural phenomena. Physics is considered as the base of all science subjects. It is based on experimental observation. The principles observed allow us to develop a deeper understanding of nature. Scientific theories are valid only if they are confirmed through various experiments. Theories in physics use many physical quantities that have to be measured. So in physics we are studying about the natural and natural phenomena. The natural phenomena, what is the natural phenomena? Every day the sun is rising and the sun is setting. The time between the sunrise and set is a physical quantity. The time between the sunrise and sunset should be measured. Okay, such a thing is called as natural phenomena that is measured. So we are studying about a measurement. So measurement in day-to-day life, what are all the things we are measuring? Time, as I said, we are measuring the time, and we are seeing so many advertisement, the energy drink. As soon as the boy drink the energy drink, he'll measure the height. He'll grow very soon and he's measuring the height. So we are measuring the height. And what is the instrument used to measure these things, such as inch tape? So inch tape is the measuring instrument. What they are measuring? Height. Height is a quality or quantity? It's a quantity, because we cannot measure the quality. So the height, the distance between 2 points, is called as length. Physically we are measuring the height, so this is called as physical quantity. So measurement is the base of scientific studies and experimentation. It plays a vital role in our daily life. It is process of finding an unknown physical quantity. So what is the physical quantity? We have said physically what we are measuring, the length, mass, time, இதெல்லாமே வந்து physical quantity. In this lesson we are going to study about a measurement in detail. We also study about accuracy and precision, approximation and rounding off. Unit of system. Every measurement has its own unit. For example, we are measuring the time in seconds and length in meter and mass in kg. So these are all the units. We need three things for a perfect measurements. They are instrument, standard quantity and acceptable unit. The instrument, what is the instrument to measure the length? Inch tape, I said. The mass, we are using the balance, and the time we are using the watches and some clocks like that. These are all the instrument. And standard quantity, the length, mass, time are called as the quantities. And acceptable unit, what is the acceptable unit? For length, meter, and mass, kg, and time, seconds. Okay. So let us say the length of a book. Length of a book be 30 centimeter. Here the length is the physical quantity. Ruler is the instrument used to measure. 30 is the magnitude and cm is the unit. This process is called as measurement. In the activity you are seeing your science book. Science book is used to be measure the length and breadth of your science book using a ruler, that is the instrument, and compare your values with those of your friends. In the above activity, the values of all the students will be will not be same. Similarly, people in various parts of the world are using different system of units for measurement. Some of the common system of units are, for example, foot, pound, second. Foot is the measuring of length, pound is measuring of mass, and second is measuring of time. So the same length of the book, some of your friend may measure as, instead of 30 centimeter, even it may be 28 centimeter, even they'll measure it as 28 centimeter. Okay, in that way. So in world, some other places people may use some other units for measuring, that is FPS, MKS, and FPS, MKS, and CGS. So different system of measurements we are using. International system of units, what we need international system of unit. Common system of unit for all over the nation to be measured is called international system of unit, that is SI system of unit. In earlier days, scientists performed their experiments and recorded the results in their own system. Due to lack of communication, they could organize experimental results of the others, so they planned to follow an uniform system, that is your international system. 11th General Conference of Weights and Measures at Paris in France, scientists recognized the need of using standard units for physical quantities. That standard units is called as your international system of units. Some of the French names is System International. Scientists choose 7 physical quantities as basic quantities and defined a standard unit to measure. That is length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. Here it is L, M, T. I can write, let me tell a Kutti story. Let me tell a. L for length, E for electricity, T for time, M for mass. So this E doesn't have a value. TE temperature, L second L luminous intensity, and A amount of substance. These 7 are called as your fundamental quantities. I think you all can memorize that song, Let Me Tell a Kutti Story, from a film master. Now you have to memorize the fundamental quantities. Let me tell a. L for length, E for electricity, T for time, M for mass, and TE temperature, second L for luminous intensity, and A for amount of substance. Each one is having an unit. Length is measured in meter, electricity is ampere, time in second, mass in kg, temperature in Kelvin, luminous intensity in candela, amount of substance in mole. So these are all the measurement unit, and their symbols will be M, electricity ampere A, time second, mass kg, and temperature Kelvin K, luminous intensity candela CD, and amount of substance mole MOL. Okay, let me see the next page. In December 1998, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration USA launched the Mars Climate Orbiter to collect data about an Martian climate. 9 months later, on September 23, 1999, the orbiter disappeared while approaching Mars at an unexpectedly low altitude. An investigation revealed that the orbital in the transfer of information calculation were incorrect due to the error in the transfer of information between the spacecraft team in Colorado and the mission navigation team in California. One team was using the English FPS system of units for calculation, while the other team was using the MKS system of units. This misunderstanding caused a loss of $125 million approximately. So from this we come to conclusion what we have to use only the international system of unit. Temperature. What is the temperature? Today's temperature is very hot because of summer. And how can we say the temperature? Only by realizing the hotness or coldness. The measuring of hotness or coldness is called as the temperature. Here we are seeing that ice cream, iron box, ice cubes and campfire. By seeing this itself we can see the temperature is hot in campfire and iron box, and the temperature is less in ice cream and ice cubes. When the temperature is so high, it is called as hot. When the temperature is less, and it is called as cold. Okay, so temperature is a measure of hotness and coldness. Measuring temperature, we need an instrument, that is an thermometer, and the unit of measuring temperature is Kelvin. So temperature is a physical quantity that is expressed in the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. Heat energy given to a substance will increase in temperature. Heat energy removed from the substance will be lower its temperature. So the heat energy is so large, then it is called as hot. When heat energy is less, then it is called as cold. Temperature is defined as the measure of average kinetic energy of the particle in the system. In hot body, the kinetic energy of the particle, kinetic energy vibrating, moving of particles. In hot water, you can able to see that the particles are moving. So kinetic energy of the particle in a system measures the temperature. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Thermometers are used to measure the temperatures. We know some other scales for temperature is Fahrenheit scale and Celsius. Commonly Kelvin is used. Then electric current. What is an electric current? Flow of electrons through a conductor is called as electricity. Flow of electric charges in a particular direction is called as electric current. Once again I am saying this, what is an electric current? Flow of electric charges in a particular direction is called as electric current. The magnitude of electric current is the amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor in 1 second. ஒரு செகண்டில் எவ்வளோ எலக்ட்ரிக் சார்ஜஸ் வந்து கண்டக்டரில் பாஸ் ஆகுதோ அதுதான் எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட். எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட் வந்து அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் சார்ஜஸ் பை டைம். சார்ஜஸ் வந்து Qன்னு மெஷர் பண்ணுவாங்க, டைம் வந்து T.